Where's the hubby?
I don't know. Where is he?
Eh?
They know exactly where he is.
I don't know. Apparently, he went to church yesterday.
Went to church yesterday.
Yeah.
All night prayer. Don't do that. I'm not stupid. Let's not do that to me, okay?
Yeah, to my knowledge, there are very different churches. And we can't really, but yeah, he was a church.
You guys are gonna lie. Bagay, really, he went to prayer. I feel like now I'm stupid. I'm me. Because tell me how, this is how you're moving a couple of days into the marriage. A lot of five, not a word.
Are you angry?
I'm not angry.
You are?
I just feel like, so, I'm not angry. Don't get it twisted. I'm over it. Not angry.
Just over it.
Yeah, because you must take me for a book. Taking me for a.
When I'm angry and I can't talk, I just...
You disappear. So when as a grown man, a 30-something-year-old man, you can't handle your emotions. You don't know how to communicate through your emotions. It's absolute nonsense.
I went to Moloko. Moloko closed at 7 a.m. I left. I went to dishes.
Exactly. So
food.
you were there. Then that's my point. Am I stupid? Am I stupid? In getting it. Moloko closes at 7. You left Moloko at 7. When did your phone break? You couldn't drive home at that time?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm back with Lesiba and also Matshidiso. Matshidiso last night slept alone because Lesiba was angry and then he went out to drink. I think Lesiba is not ready for marriage. Besides that, he told people good session like ukuthi uMatshidiso asitype yakhe asi into bekayifuna bekayilindele and he's just going to give it a try. And guys, it won't work out. I want to marry at first sight, the same yonke into yabo ukudlala. They are not serious. Because tell me why abangani baka Lesiba instead of just behlala nomngane wabo ukuthi angisho uyile lapha and wathi wena ufuna umshado. So why don't you sit at home? Because yabona another way bahlenga khona. No, he was at church. He was at church. Like they're still full of games, and we are born with Matshidiso is ready for marriage. I think if ever they paired Matshidiso and also Uhlulani, maybe it would work out. And then so that azokwatela into a corner because guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? I'm so fed up with this show because no one is serious la. No one is serious. But niggas a chance because it's rotate for anyone, but then they're not serious. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.